Other people's money. Another form of leverage in our series is other people's money. Your ability to borrow or tap into the financial resources of other people can enable you to accomplish extraordinary things that would not be possible if you had to pay for them out of your own resources. So you can continually be looking for these kind of opportunities to borrow or invest money and to achieve returns well in excess of the cost of money. So welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we share business strategies and coffee. Now you may be thinking investors for other people's money, and it may be so. But as Lawrence, Larry the Liquidator, Garfield, played by Danny DeVito in the movie Other People's Money, Larry the Liquidator believed in using other people's money to help him fund to purchase companies that he would soon liquidate. And then he gets a return for those investors while also making a large profit for himself. So one of the strategies that has worked for many of my clients over the years is utilizing their own banks for this. Now, banks are not going to actually lend you money when you really need it. They may, but try out this strategy. It'll work, I promise. Develop a relationship with your commercial banker at your bank. Borrow any amount that they'll let you have. It could be up to, let's say, maybe $5,000. Take it. So put it in a special account. Put the interest that you're going to have to pay on it in that account too. And then give it a little bit of time, a couple months, and then pay it off. So pay off the loan early with the interest. Then wait a couple weeks or maybe a month, and then go back to the bank and do the process again. So now maybe they'll give you $7,500. Put it in a special account, put the interest in there, pay it off early, and then continue this cycle. Yes, will it cost you a little bit of money at the beginning? Yes, but if you're paying off these loans early, your interest will be a lot smaller. Well, here's what it's doing. It's building your line of credit up with the bank. Not only that, it's building the relationship up with your bank. So now, as you're building, that amount keeps growing, and they have high trust in you because you're borrowing and paying it off early. They love you. Now, we did this in one of my businesses, and after 18 months, we actually had a line of credit of over $150,000 by slowly doing this process. And then we didn't know the future, what would it hold, but in the 21st month, we actually had a whole bunch of equipment breakdown, and we needed $150,000 for investment into brand new equipment. Well, guess what? We already had it tapped in, and it was already approved, sitting in our hands, so we were able to utilize that money. So how did we have to pay that one off? We just took a little longer to pay that one off, but we still paid it off with interest before it was due, and then gave it a couple months, came back to the bank. They actually gave us now a line of credit of $300,000 because we have this history. So this is a way to use other people's money in your business. That's just one strategy. So what kind of things could you do to help your business use other people's money? Maybe you have an aunt, uncle willing to invest. That's using other people's money. We'd love to hear your ideas and suggestions. And if you have any questions regarding this episode or any other episodes, please let us know. You can email me at steve@bizcoachsteve.com. That's B-I-Z, Coach Steve. We look forward to hearing from you. To your business success, this is Biz Coach Steve Feld. Have a great day.